you want to use, again, we have to create dot plots in statistics. I showed in one video, I just created a video that had a Sheets document that automatically will make dot plots for you just by entering or copying and pasting the data. If you want to use your TI84, again, if you're only doing 10, 20 values, the TI84 works fairly well with this also. Remember the program, you have to, I had a video showing you how to load the program if you haven't done that already. Get the program in there. That's in the video in the first day information or first week information stuff. So now to actually create a dot plot, what we need to do is go into a list. If we go to second list, now I showed you we had some body temp lists that we got from the website. We can just utilize those, or I can go and put them in list one. Right now, list one is empty. So, but if I go to stat, I think this is the easiest way to get to it. Stat, edit, and then list one, you can put data from whatever you want to make a dot plot of. I'm just throwing values in right now. So, if, for example, if you are putting in value of statistics data, you can type it all in. I notice I have 20 values. This got to 21, so I have 20 values. And what's nice about this is I can do a couple different lists. I want to make some comparisons. So let's say there's only 10 in that one. So I have a list of 20, I have a list of 10. So now if I want to make a dot plot for this, all I have to do is go to program, dot plot, enter. And if I want to do one plot, I just say second L1, granularity 1, and it gives me my dot plot of the first one I made. Now if I want to compare two plots, I just say program, dot plot, enter, compare two plots, 2. Now it's second L1, 1, second L2, 1. And now I have two dot plots that I can compare. And I can also trace this. I use my arrow buttons with trace. I can tell where all my data is. If I use the up arrow, down arrow up arrow, down arrow puts me in either plot. Then my right left, I can see what a value is, what the frequency is. And basically what this did is it created what's called a scatter plot. So if I go to second list now, you'll notice that now at the bottom I have x1, y1. Those are variables for scatter plots that created the dot plot for me. So if I go back to graph, I can see my dot plot. Once you've done that, if you want to get rid of your lists, you can go to stat, clear list, and you can clear specific lists. Now it's empty. If you want to see what's in a list, I can go to second L2 and hit enter. I can look at what's in my list, use my arrow to see what it is. And I can also go to stat edit, and it shows me that list, and you can see I have L1 cleared out. So that's how you use lists and create a dot plot. And once you've done the list, you can click on this button, and then you can copy that image.